Yes, ready. These items alone absorb nearly half the center's revenues, and out of what remains with the center, about 37% is at present being transferred to the state's stock, and this is not all. There are divergent demands from the states. Both backward and advanced states stop. The most intriguing question, as stated in the report, is how to reconcile the need to accelerate the development of a backward state without hindering further the development of an advanced states. Stop. In this report, we must not fail to take note of the weightage given to the backward states. Stop. This has no doubt been a persistent demand over the years, yet we must take note of it, and as I come from a very backward state, naturally I shall revert to this after some time in course of my deliberation. Stop. Para. Thus, the whole question is to be viewed in the context of the national resources constraints, the center's national obligations, and the state's divergent demands. Stop. The limitation of resources cannot be whisked away, just as the overdrafts of the West Bengal government cannot be whisked away. Mr. Nirmal Chatterjee is not here. Stop. If some state governments like West Bengal have developed an intrigue fixation arising out of the overdrafts complex, they should bear in mind that as far back as in 1974, the then Union government directed the Reserve Bank not to grant overdrafts to the state governments beyond their credit limits. Stop. Para. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, after breaking off the shackles of foreign rule, the people of India gave themselves a constitution which epitomizes the yearnings and aspirations of our forefathers, which they cherished for the succeeding generations. Stop. The Constitution secure to every Indian the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Stop. However, the farmers of the Constitution, in their commendable wisdom, also visualized a situation where a person misusing these liberties indulges in activities detrimental to the larger interests of the country. Stop. And this empowered the Parliament to frame a preventive detention law. Stop. After all, freedom, as Pandit Nehru said, was pursuing one's own good in one's own way, as long as one did not attempt to deprive others of their rights or their endeavor to attain it. Stop. Unfortunately, some people exploiting the lofty ideals enshrined in the Constitution not only indulge in acts which obstruct the peaceable pursuits of others but also designedly do things which are prejudicial to the security and integrity of the country. Stop para. Baffled by the progress which India has made at home and the status which it has acquired in the Committee of Nations under the leadership of Srimati Indira Gandhi, certain foreign powers are ceaselessly conspiring to weaken our country, and for the execution of their nefarious designs, unfortunately, they are able to operate through some of our own misguided people, however few in number they may be. Stop the anti-national activities in Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir and the communal riots engineered in Andhra Pradesh and certain other parts of the country are events which we would all like to forget as a bad dream. Stop to take preventive action against anti-national elements, separatists, extremists, and terrorists in the country. We now have the National Security Act 1980. Stop. But often it has been experienced that in our liberal judicial system, this act has not been effective in enabling the government to deal stringently with such elements. Stop. It so happens that sometimes the government or the officer passing the detention order has to do it instantaneously and urgently on getting to know of the prejudicial activities of an individual, as the failure to take immediate preventive action may greatly harm the mission's interest and cause irreparable damage and loss to public life and property. Stop. But if on a close and pedantic scrutiny of the grounds of detention, the High Courts or the Supreme Court, in the exercise of their extraordinary writ jurisdiction, find even one ground to be gauge non-existent, not relevant, or not connected, or not proximately connected with the detainee, or to be invalid for any other reason, the entire order is held to be vitiated and the detention order set aside. Stop.